welcome back, or just welcome. Oh shoot, today I'm not showing my face because I have a ridiculous sticker from a camp I went to on. So yes, I'm showing this beautiful table at this beautiful house. Today, we are going to be doing a haul, plus this amazing slime. So let's start with the slime. It's just amazing, really good, but we didn't buy it today, so we cannot include it. Start with smacking. First thing first, let's just start with the biggest thing bought today. It's this mega giant remote control puppets that it's amazing. Okay. By the way, for your information, this is the bad side. Okay, more ASMR. So that's the giant gamer controller puppet for you. Next, biggest thing in the haul. You guys are probably like, why? Is this why? But it's a comic book. And if you've read it, comment down below that you've read it and like the video that you've read it to show me. Yeah, you've read it. Anyway, it's a book, comic book. Thick one, but I thought it would be interesting. Next, because I'm sure no one wants to watch a video of that book. Next biggest thing, also book-esque, but it's a Bob's Burger Mad Libs. And don't even tell me you don't like Mad Libs because, like, you just have to. Illegally have to. So this is the most amazing Mad Libs because it's Bob's Burgers and I'm so excited to use it with my family. Next biggest thing. This is actually the package for the puppet, as you can see. But yeah, I'm just not using it as a puppet. And I got a giant pack of Pokemon cards. And in the front is just the best card that I got for that day. And it is obviously the single strike here V does 180 damage, 220 HP. And the HP is basically all I care about in these kind of cards. And I got a bunch of pretty bad stuff, but did get a few 120s, which is golden. Now, next, we are going to